In this video, I'll guide you through how to empty Google Drive trash at once. If you've been deleting files over time and never clearing your trash, those items can pile up and still take up storage space. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to permanently remove everything in your Google Drive trash in just a few clicks. First, you'll want to open Google Drive. You can do this by going to your web browser and navigating to the Google Drive website, or by opening it from your Google Apps menu if you're already signed into your Google account. Make sure you're logged into the correct account, especially if you manage more than one. The trash you're about to empty is specific to the account you're currently using. Once Google Drive is open, take a look at the menu on the left side of the screen. This is your main navigation panel, and it's where you'll find options like My Drive, Shared with Me, and Recent. In that same list, you'll see an option labeled Trash. In some regions or older layouts, it might also be called Bin, but it's the same thing. This is where deleted files are stored before they're permanently removed. Go ahead and click on Trash in the left sidebar. After you click it, the main area of the screen will change to show all the files and folders that you've deleted but not yet fully removed. Think of this section as a safety net. Items stay here for a while in case you need to restore them. Before you clear everything, it's a good idea to quickly scan through the list and make sure there's nothing you still need. If you see something you want to keep, you can restore it before moving on. Now, when you're ready to empty everything that's left, look towards the top of the trash page. You should see a button or link that says Empty Trash. This is the control that clears all items in your trash at once, so you don't have to delete them one by one. Click on Empty Trash. As soon as you do this, Google Drive will show a confirmation prompt. This step is important because emptying the trash is permanent. When the confirmation message appears, it will usually remind you that all items in the trash will be permanently deleted and cannot be recovered. Take a brief moment here. If you're absolutely sure you're done with these files, confirm the action by clicking the option to proceed. Once you confirm, Google Drive will permanently delete all files and folders currently in your trash. Depending on how much is in there, this might take a few moments, but you'll see the list clear out. After it's done, your trash folder will be empty and the storage space those items were using will be freed up on your Google account. That's all there is to it. You opened Google Drive, navigated to the trash section, chose to empty the trash, confirmed your choice, and permanently deleted all the files inside. You can repeat this process anytime your trash starts to fill up or when you need to quickly reclaim storage space in your Google Drive.